Hi, I'm Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Payless Financial Training Group. Today I'm talking about the increase in the per kilometer reimbursement rate for 2022. So what this is if you are reimbursed for using your personal vehicle for business, either by your employer or by the corporation that you own, then the amounts go up every year. The 2022 amount is 61 cents for the first 5,000 kilometers that you drive in the year, and then 55 cents for the rest of the year. So this is by far the simplest way to deal with vehicle expenses. You own your vehicle personally, you keep track only of the business kilometers that you drive, you make a list of these business kilometers, and the corporation you work for, or the one that you own, reimburses you personally by kilometer. The deal is that reimbursement is not taxable to you because it's deemed to be a reimbursement, and the corporation gets the tax benefit of having paid the reimbursement. So it's a deduction to them, not taxable to you. You, of course, will have to pay all your vehicle expenses yourself. Sadly, this simple method doesn't work for everybody. If your business is not incorporated, you may not reimburse yourself by kilometer. You have to accumulate all your expenses with receipts, compare the expenses to your mileage log to figure out what percentage you're driving for business, and you can take a deduction based on that. So if your expenses add up to $10,000 and you drive your vehicle 60% of the time for business, you have a $6,000 deduction. You can't do it by kilometer. Okay? So this also happens if you're an employee who is not reimbursed by your employer. Then you do the same thing. Add up all your expenses, look at your mileage log, and you can claim that percentage. So for those of us who are able to use our personal vehicles for business and get reimbursed by kilometer, remember the rate for 22 is 61 cents for the first 5,000 and then 55 cents for all the other kilometers.